So now let's move to the factories. And see the admin. So let's add factory for the admin, and I think it's the same as the user. We will only need to copy and paste and change here the fake, so we will not use a fake name, to admin, and email also we need to change it to admin email.com, and the verification email verified, let's give it now, and the password, so we will use the hash class to encrypt the password, and we will use the password. You can use any password. Let's put only 1 2, and here we need the random token for the remember token, and image, so we can provide default image, so you can use any image. I will pick an image from Pixabay, so it's inside CDN, so you can pick any image you want. pixabay.pixabay.com/2012/04/13/16/56 and /music. So you can go to the Pixabay website and pick any image you want. I will use this image, and 1280.png. So this is the image that I will use. You can use any image you want. So I took this image from Pixabay website. You can do the same. And now we have the admin. All we need to do now is to add here inside seeder. Let's go to the seed here and copy this one, bring it and put it here, and we create only one admin, and let's change this one to admin. Don't forget to import it here. And now let's move to the database seeder here and copy and command this line and call seeder, which is the admin seeder and class. So now we have seeder. Let's add here semicolon, save. Let's now migrate everything, PHP artisan, and I think I have already a database with same name, so we will try. If it's migrated, that's okay. If not, we will change the name of the database, because I have already a database with same name. So I think I don't have this database, so let's hit yes. And now everything is migrated, but we have something wrong. Integer doesn't exist. Where is this one? Inside photo. So let's move to the photo tables here. So where is the integer? So this one, so it's integer. So let's close this tab. So it's integer. I made a mistake, sorry for this one. Let's do that again. Fresh. And send again. And now everything is done successfully. Let's see the admin. And it's done successfully. Now let's move. So we did not create the controllers yet. So let's do that. I thought that we have created the. So let's start with the admin controller, and later we will move to the other controllers. So I thought I have already done this step. So let's do that now. Make controller. Let's call it admin, and it will be inside folder admin, and it's admin controller. Hit enter. Let's do the same thing for the photo and orders. So here it's photo. Hit enter, and orders or order, and hit enter. So let's move to the admin controller. Where is it? So here. So let's start with admin. So the first function that we will have will return the admin dashboard, and let's return the view, which is the admin.index. So we will add this view later. Next one will be for login the admin, and this one will check first if the admin is already logged in. So we need to check using the guard that we will add later. This guard will be admin, and we need to check if the user is already logged in, or if he is not logged in. If he is not logged in, so we will return admin to the login page. If he is logged in, then we will return and redirect the admin to the route that we will add later, which is the admin.index. So let's save. So the next one will be for authenticating the admin. So let's name it auth. And this one will have a request that we will add later, admin auth request, that will validate the admin fields, or let's add it now. So let's clean console, PHP artisan, make request, and admin auth request. So now it's done. Let's import it and use it here. Now it's here. So the first thing we need to do is to check if the request is validated. So if the request is validated, so this one, so we need to check if the user, so let's bring this part because we will need it. So if the request is validated, so we need to check if the user, or if we can log in with the provided attempt. So we need to check if we can log in using the provided fields, which is the admin email and password. So the email will be inside the request, so not here. What is, so it's request email, and same thing here. Let's change it to password. So if yes, if the user can log in, then we need to, for security reasons, we need to regenerate the session. So let's call session regenerate, and we need to redirect the user to the routes, which is the admin.index. And if not, if the user cannot log using these credentials, so we can redirect him also to the login page with an error message telling him that these credentials do not match any of our records. And that's all. Next one, we need to log out the user or the admin, not the user. The user, we will add another functionality for login users. So here we need to add logouts, and we will use the AutoGuard logout function. So let's remove all this, we don't need it. Add here semicolon and remove the if. And once done, we redirect the admin to the login routes. So those are all the functions that we need. So the first one, as I said, returns the admin dashboard. Second one returns the login form. Third one, log in or authenticates the user. Final one, log out the user. So those are all the functions that we need. So the next step, we will move to adding the login form and the registration form for the admin, and also we will add the validation as inside the admin auth request. So let's do that now.